Hi, I'm Men from the Help Desk team. This video today we're going to be going through some troubleshooting on when your camera has gone down, or maybe potentially your bridge has stopped working and stopped transmitting data from one on the other. So the oldest trick of the book would be to restart your router, turn your bridges off and your camera off so everything restarts so it gets a fresh connection, and then try logging back into the bridge again and revert back to this video in the previous. So there's ways you can power this camera. At the moment, you power the camera with a 12-volt power supply. There's an option on these bridges where you can actually power them via PoE, but you must use this LAN port here, not the LAN port on the injector. It has to be the LAN port on the bridge, and you make sure that slider, the little slider here, you slide that across. And this will power the camera via the one Ethernet cable, and you wouldn't need to plug this 12-volt power supply in it anymore. So just also bear in mind, this LAN port does not power over PoE, only this LAN port does. Normally you'll do this when if there's a power cut, or if you had a power cut in the house. So the first step would be to just to restart everything and try and log back into the bridges. This is obviously if you add more cameras to your system, maybe in a later future, or maybe your farming pack has more cameras. You might, obviously because you only have one LAN port, how you add a switch to it is I'm going to show you how to add a switch. So here we have a port switch here. Obviously that's just the power supply to it. You power it in. There's obviously you got port 1, 2, 3 and 4, and there's an uplink. You run the uplink from where the camera will be plugged into the LAN port here. So that will link the bridges and send the data from this bridge to there back to your home. And then obviously where the ports 1, 2, 3 and 4, you wire the cameras into there. So obviously if there's not another camera here, but if there's another camera, you'll just wire the cameras into here. If you have any further guides you want to find, please go to our help site or create a support ticket on our website. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.